Welcome! Today we're going to clear the Jam MP tray error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Gently remove the jam paper from the tray with both hands. Fan the paper. Reload the tray. Ensure the tray is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now press Retry on the touchscreen. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.